Hi students, welcome back. This is Plus One Computer Science and Computer Application, Chapter 5, Working with Windows Operating System, Part 1 video. Before getting into the video, please do subscribe. In the previous class, you have learned about operating system. So let's see the important functions of an operating system. Memory management, process management, device management, file management, security management, and control overall system performance. So all these are the important functions of an operating system. And in this class, you are going to learn about Windows operating system. Let's start with an introduction to Windows operating system. Every computer needs an operating system to function. So computer in the sense it is hardware and operating system it is software. So without the help of software, no hardware can work. Microsoft Windows is one of the most popular graphical user interface. Multiple applications can be executed simultaneously in Windows, and this is known as multitasking. For example, you can play a song at the same time you can open Word file or Paint and you can do the work. So this Windows operating system concept was introduced by Apple company. And later, Microsoft took the concept and they popularized this operating system. And here we do have various versions of operating system, Windows operating system. The very first operating system version is 1.x. It was introduced in the year 1985 and it worked for 16-bit processor. And mouse was introduced as an input in this period. And later they upgraded the version as 2.x. It was in the year 1987. And here all the windows they supported with minimize and maximize buttons. So at the same time control panel feature was introduced with various system settings. And in the year 1992 they upgraded the version as 3.x and here they introduced multitasking concept and they really supported with 256 colors. And later in the year 1995 they introduced Windows 95 and this Windows 95 was the very popular one. Here they introduced start button, taskbar, Windows Explorer and start menu. And here this was introduced for 32-bit processor. In the year 1998, they introduced Windows 98 operating system. It was the successful and popular operating system of Windows. So along with this Windows 98 operating system, we got web browser and Windows based games. All these were added features of this Windows operating system. And later they introduced Windows NT. NT means new technology. It was designed to act as the servers in the network. And in the year 2000 they introduced Windows Me. It was used as the recovery tool. And in the year 2000, Windows 2000 operating system was introduced. It served as an operating system for business, desktop, and laptop system. Four versions of Windows 2000 were released, that is professional, used for business, and server for web server and office server. And then advanced server, it was used for line of business applications. And finally, data center server, it was for high traffic computer networks. And in the year 2001, they introduced Windows XP. It was the popular and the successful one. And Windows XP introduced a 64-bit processor and improved Windows appearance with themes and offered a stable version. And in the year 2006, they introduced Windows Vista. It was updated the look and feel of Windows, but it was not so successful in market. In the year 2009, they introduced Windows 7 operating system. And here they improved booting time and they introduced new user interfaces. So in the year 2012, they introduced Windows 8 operating system. Windows 8 is faster than the previous versions of Windows. and the start button was removed, Windows 8 takes better advantage of multi-core processing, solid state drive that is SSD, touch screens and other alternative inputs were introduced. Served as common platform for mobile and computer. So this Windows 8 operating system was introduced for mobile as well as computer. And in the year 2015 they introduced Windows 10. Here start button was added again and multiple desktop was introduced and they added a personal assistant named Cortana. So all these are the different versions of Windows operating system. So now let us learn about handling the mouse. In mouse we do have three buttons, left, right and scroll button. In modern mouses we do have only two buttons, that is left and right. So now let us see the mouse action. Point to an item. Now how to point to an item? Simply move the mouse so that the pointer will be moved on the screen, just like this pointer. And the next action is click. It is of two types, left click and right click. We have two buttons. If you make a click on left, it is left click, and if you make a click on right, it is right click, and two different actions will be taken place for this click. So left click will select an item. What we have to do for that? Simply place the mouse pointer on the item and just make left click so that the item will be selected. And right click, it brings the pop-up menu on the screen. And if you make double click, the pointed item will be enabled. So it is used to open an application. So this class is just an introduction to Windows operating system. In the next class, you'll be learning in detail about Windows operating system. So that's all for today. Thank you.